So, hello. I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw my gorilla, like you see right now. Yeah, I'm doing one of those like cringe like things. Yeah, I know. Like one of those cringe things, like those cringe animations. Right, they're like too lazy to animate, and they just like do this. Yeah. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a gorilla. If you want to know what this is, just basically just listen. That's that's just a. Let me just get back. That was just a song made by Box VR. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So, yeah, this is all my folders. Ignore this one. Alright. I have a lot of ones. And I have multiple infection AUs I never posted. If you want to look at them, tell me in the comments. Anyways, yeah, I'll make a project. Gorilla. Boom, down. So what I usually like to do is use this. So basically, I just lock it. I just lock it on. Lock it on so it just stays there forever. And basically, if you draw something, it'll copy it on the side. So, yeah. I usually don't do like full bodies. I usually just do like this and that. But if I want to do a full body, I would also use this and like use this shape and also I will also like the nose that moving at the gap. Right, and I'll also do like this. So basically, it looks like a dinosaur, basically. So basically, it just looks like a dinosaur, but I have different ways to draw different gorillas. So yeah. Also, I kind of messed up on this side, but it's fine. And I usually give my gorilla like little shoulders and then do this. I usually don't give them like bumps like a true gorilla tag, like like these, like boom, one, and boom, like those ones. I don't usually give them because it just looks like they're getting like buff. So oh wait, I think I need to redo. Let me just fix this and I'll redo it. If you're doing this right now, just redo everything except for the body. Man, what? My God, if the angle is correctly right there. Better right there. Alright, so boom. Yep, perfect. And then I just I gonna do it like that. I give my gorilla some shoulders like this. So I usually make like the gorilla's arms like long, like pretty long. But if I run out of room for the arms, I'll just grab it and shrink it and then just grab this and readjust it because it's in a different place. So yeah, that's what it means. Yep, it's crooked, but I'll find it out eventually. Alright, boom, wait. Okay, so there I can give it, and if there's some like little like bumps that's gliding, I just can chip it to make it look more smoother. I just make it more smoother. And yeah. If you want to do that, that's completely fine. to make your gorilla look more cleaner. And give him like that, and then I usually put like the arms like this because like the gorilla's like on the side. But if you want to make the arms like looking forward, like or just like downwards and something. Wait, hold on, let me move this gorilla upwards. Alright, that's perfect. So basically, I just like kind of do this and boom. They kind of for each other, so just kind of shrink it and then boom, boom, and then. The arms are kind of broken. Hold on, let me just fix that. Nope, they're more even broken. Well. Alright. Actually, I'm having a rough time. But you know, drawing these hands. Maybe I just put them like too far apart or something. Oh my god, that's a giant thumb. So I'll just do this. Those look very bad, but hey, I'm just trying my best. So you don't need to draw them like that. You can just draw like your way, and yeah, we're not done yet. I still haven't given it a head, but if I want to make a monster like with a broken head, boom, there's a monster. But I at least need to give this guy a head, but I have to like shrink him down first. So boom, I kind of connect this head to his body so it's not completely like a complete circle. Actually, let me just okay, 3. Nice. Boom. It's kind of small. Like let me just readjust it. Alright, so there, if you draw it, if you want, right. And I use this once again, and I draw like the face like this, feels like a little like snout, like a little snout, you know, like a little snout. And then I just like do this. But that's not the way I actually did it. I usually make like the shapes like this, which is weird, and also just normal, like just a circle. Like that. I also made one that's more accurate, like a little, and then boom. That's the most accurate one I made. But now I just want to make it chubby for more space and stuff. And yeah, just kind of like put it further out. And I'm kind of messing up with the head right now. So yeah, I usually don't draw the gorilla's head like that, but I'm just kind of lazy. What is that supposed to be? That didn't work. So let me just chip it a little bit. Okay, boom. That's kind of weird, but you can draw the gorilla's face any way you want. It's not my responsibility. You can draw it any way you want. So yeah, I'm just kind of lazy. Yeah, I'm just kind of lazy. So yeah, But if you want to actually want to know how I draw gorilla, you see the other ones. Look, I even made this, and look, it still has this weird head shape and stuff. Oh wait, hold up. Okay. Yeah, there's many more infections, and yeah. Trying to find that, like this. Like I made it. It's perfectly okay. It's fine. And yeah. Even this one I was planning on a project like me going into get sucked down portal where dinosaurs are. So yeah. And I'm still planning on doing that, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna try copy what I just told you you saw in my PNG. So, yeah. I kind of have a little cough today. I don't know. I had some violent coughs yesterday. Is it locked? Yes. So yeah. Boom, that's how I draw it. This is a perfect head shape, and then boom, and the eyes. If you want to add extra detail, I don't usually add noses to my eyes, but if you want to add, I usually don't add them because I'm lazy. So yeah. If you want to add more extra detail, you can just put these little things like that. And stuff. And there you go, you got my gorilla, and you can paint it any color you want. So yeah. But also, I usually shade stuff. So if I click alpha lock, which just locks onto the thing, look, just locks onto it. I can basically shade, but I need to actually outline the horns, I think, first, because it would just shade out of the. Okay, so if they do this and that and all, yeah. And you're asking me why can I just do this last time? Well, you're actually right. Hold on, let me just. Alright, get rid of alpha lock. Boom, boom. Alright, bro. Alright, boom, boom. Alright. So you can just color any way you want. And you usually add some shading. If you have Photoshop, I use the airbrush. So yeah. But if you want to do a fancy thing like spray, you can do it. But yeah. So do any way you want. Alpha lock and boom. There. I usually don't use spray. I just use airbrush because it's good and stuff. So yeah. I just usually add some shading. And I usually don't add ears to my gorilla, but if you want ears to your gorilla, you can add it. You can add ears to gorilla, but I usually don't add mine. So yeah. Yeah. I basically that's how I draw it, but if you want more detail, just actually that's really all for my gorilla. So yeah. If this tutorial helped, please please. 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 Anyways. For some reason I usually add these and yeah, this way. So I usually sometimes I usually add these little things to make it look like that. So yeah, if this tutorial was helpful, please like. Anyways, peace. I really don't know what to do with the outro. I'm just gonna cut out or just go to a black screen.